Hi friends, welcome to Apple Quiz. Find the Odd Out Bird Emoji Edition, 15 level. Easy, medium, hard. You have 10 seconds the answer. Or board. 20 points equals to A+. 12 points equals to B+. 8 points equals to C+. Let's see who can finish this challenge successfully. Let's start challenge. One bird here is an imposter. Can you expose it? Can you expose it? This flock has a secret. Find the odd one. Not all birds are the same. Spot the outsider. A tiny detail gives it away. Can you see it? This bird doesn't belong in the flock. Your eyes versus this bird puzzle. Who wins? There's a sneaky bird hiding here. Find it! Think fast. Which bird breaks the pattern? Only true observers will catch this bird. Something feels off. Find the different bird. Can you crack this bird illusion? One mistake is hidden. Spot the odd bird. Don't trust your first look. Try again. This bird puzzle is harder than it looks. Find the odd one before everyone else does. Which position you reached, A, B, or C. And please don't forget to subscribe, drop your score. Thanks for watching. More challenges coming soon.